Welcome to JJ's Garage. Today we're replacing these trash ass headlights. Alright, so real quick, these headlights are pretty much done. Both of them. That one's full of water and they're yellow as hell. I've been cleaning them about every 6 months or so, and I'm tired of it, so I bought some eBay lights for about $80. Here we go. Sorry to look out the box. Packaging is pretty on point, not bad for $80. It comes with headlights and the corner lights. Boom, look at that, fresh. Let's compare these real quick. Can you tell the difference? Yeah, so these are gonna look real fresh in here. Look at that. Damn, I can't wait. Quick side by side. Yep, like I said, $80. Not too bad for everything. Also got some eBay HID lights, just low beams, and that's pretty much it. I'll be installing that. I think they were 35 bucks, in case anybody was wondering. Not really trying to get anything too expensive on this truck. This is a 2004, and it's a daily for my girl, and we wheel on it a lot, so I'm not trying to get anything super expensive that might get scratched or destroyed when we go four-wheeling. That's why I went with eBay parts. Alright, so here's a quick side-by-side of the stock headlight next to the eBay light. Difference that I've noticed is the aiming screw, or whatever you want to call this. This one, the stock one, is a Torx. The eBay one is a Phillips or a hex nut. And on these, they're pretty much the same. Just gotta swap the harness over and you're good. Alright, let's put them on. Alright, so these are pretty much plug and play HIDs to the stock harness. The stock plug plugs into the HID box right here, and then you just plug the box into the HID bulb, like so. And then you're done. That's it. Just gotta zip tie the box somewhere, and then you're good to go. Alright, let's see if everything works before I fully install the front clip Install the battery. You wanna hit the lights real quick? Let's see. Just hit the light switch. Alright, those work. What about the low beams? That was a turn signal. That's high beams. Hit that one more time. That's high beams, right? What about the low beams?
What's on? Ready to start it?
No? It should come on. It looks like the HIDs are not working. So pretty much the lights weren't working, so all you gotta do is, these were reversed. So I plugged it in like this and it wasn't working. So all I did was flip it around like this and now they work. So pretty much the leads inside here are reversed for both boxes, which is kind of weird, but that's the only way to work. Alright, all done. These things are fire. All for eBay parts, let me tell you, pretty impressed with the quality. That shit is clean. No bullshit. Shit is clean as hell. Very impressed. Alright, before I forget, forgot about the last upgrade I got from Amazon. This shit was about, I don't know, 10 bucks, maybe a little more. I forgot. But I don't think she's gonna like it. I just did it just to be funny. So we'll see how she reacts to it. I'll try to set up the camera somewhere and see if we can get a reaction. But we're gonna get rid of the good old Realtree steering wheel cover and put this fluffy shit on there and some other stuff that came with it. So we'll see how she reacts. Alright, so we got the steering wheel cover on. Not too bad. This thing shuts more than a German Shepherd, to be honest with you. We got the shifter cover on. It comes with a separate shifter cover, but since we got a column shifter, I just stuck it up here. Yeah. Alright, let's get a reaction out of this.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
What? You don't like it? You don't like it? It sheds, but well, this is for like a shifter. I just put it up there. You don't have to use this part. That one's for like a column shifter. Not a column shifter, a floor shifter. Be nice and warm now that it's getting cold, isn't it? No? You want the Realtree back? Nope, no comment.
What am I doing? Petting a rabbit?
You petting a rabbit?
Did you buy this?
Yeah, I bought it. Amazon. It was super cheap.
Ay.
I know, it sheds a lot though. A lot of people were saying to comb it, like you comb a dog to get all the
Oh, Jesus.
hairs off of it. It's nice and fluffy.
It's super fluffy. Oh my goodness.
Alright.
Cool. Alright.
You don't want it? I'll put the other old stuff back.
No, we can try it. I'll rock it.
You'll rock it for a little bit? Oh, alright.
I'll rock it for a little bit for you, Bob.
For me? Alright. Sweet.
Thank you. Bob was trying to give me warm hands.
You know how you get super cold.
Yeah. You can like see it through the window because it's like 3 times the thickness of the
Oh, you saw it right away?
Yeah, look at it.
You're gonna be riding out in style. Alright, so we'll see what kind of reaction we got. So far it seems pretty good. She done rock it for a little bit. So anyways, so yeah, we did headlights, we did the HIDs, and we did the fluffy steering wheel cover. Hit a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and take care now. Cheers.